Junaha. Henjunaha. Since time immemorial, every Meitei in his growing up age used to relate the Lamta Thangcha with fear and predations, and it is believed to be one of the most ominous day in a year. It is forbidden to confront the group of women on their way to perform the rituals on this particular day. In connection to this, the play is thus trying to highlight the underlying story of such mysterious and fearful elements. Hanjunaha is a folk play which revolves around the predestined love between Hanjunaha and Lairolembi, a legend from Moirang Leirol, which is one of the epic cycle of incarnations in Kangleipak, Manipur. This legendary epic love story is about the strong love that exists between Henjunaha and Lairolembi, created by none other than the supreme god Ibudho Thangjin and goddess Ima Panthoibi. In their dream consequence, Henjunaha, a fatherless lad brought up to a poor widow mother, fell in love with Lairolembi, the only daughter of nobleman Laizing Lakpa. It explored the pity and fear by the tragic death of the protagonist who got killed on the ominous night, the Lamta Thangcha, by the evil spirit known as Saroi Ngaroi. Seeing her lover in distress, lying in a pool of blood, defying all odds, Lairolembi followed her lover by killing herself with a knife. Ibudao Thangjing planned to send both of them back to the human world once again as Thangjahanba and Tonu Laijinglembi. The passion, emotions, profound love and sensation that are embodied in this folk play transcends the limit of aesthetic art and transmute us to a world of sublime transcendental realm. The story and the dress represent in the play is not the exact ones, but trying to explore the like in a possible way. Director Thongam Hiramoti, Sumang Lila actor, Manipuri folk and classical dancer, pursuing Master in Theatre, Manipur University of Culture. Bisharat, third year, Manipur Dance, Government Dance College, Imphal. Awardee, second Best Actor in Laikang Thambal, 2007. Ketan Popular Award, 2009. Best Actress, Wari Loidri, 2014. Best Actress, Ngai Kini, 2015. Best Actress, Yening Tha Amagiwari, 2016. Best Actress, Thawaigi Thawai, 2015, 2017. Script, Laimayum Balkrishan Sarma, MA first semester, Department of English, Manipur University of Culture. Consultant, Dr. Naurem Sandeep, Dr. Sujata Huitrom, Dr. Binata Nomaitem, and Dr. Irom Ravindra Singh, Department of English, Manipur University of Culture. Costume, Laishram Ibotombi, Music Composer, Thaunauzam Nauton Baluwang. Orchestra, Bashi, Malem Thoiba Hizam, Langden, Ton Yensem. Hausi Khodol Tamjagaturiba Henjunaha Department of English ki asi Department of English ki mahiroi singna atenba matamshida yamna wana hona jaduna semkachaba amakhakni masi Manipur gi masak nairaba Shumang Lila gi artist amadi Manipur University of Culture gi theater gi master gi students su oibiriba Thongam Hiramoti na direction pibani mayam adukimatik nungai gani haina khanjai Masida music microphone sing set up tawagi minute ama ani khak lauragasu mayamna ngaibinaba ningsingjari Khudol Tamjagaturiba Department of English ki Henjunaha asigi matung shem sambidamba nolukchari Department of Thang Ta Thangjau ani China Thang ahum yanaba Thang chungoi yanaba Thabi kakpa Mihad Mikan Anishuba Saruk Masigi Matung Department of Sankritana Nupa Khobag Isai Nupi Pala Sankritana Pung Cholong Masigi Matangda Department of Theatre Dagi Drama Laisari Makhacha Tazarakpada Classical Music Concert Guitar Recital Laisari Masigi Matangda Classical Manipuri Dance Amuk Thamjari Loshilakpada Ngasigi Function asigi closing ceremony laijai masigi manungchanna Manipur University of Culture gi students singna North East Zone amadi National gi Youth Festival gi saruk yarubada phangbirakhiba certificate sing khusinajabagi tanja adu laujagani iroi loibada mayamna su khwaidagi khawrang na ngaibiriba matam isai Manipur University of Culture gi faculty member amadi mahiroi singdagi phangbigani Henjunaha. Since time immemorial, every Meitei in his growing up days used to relate the Lamta Thangja with fear and trepidation, and it is believed to be one of the most ominous day in a year. It is forbidden to confront the group of women on their way to perform the rituals on this particular day. In connection to this, the play is thus trying to highlight the underlying story of such mysterious and fearful elements. Henjunaha is a folk play which revolves around the pristine love between Henjunaha and Lairoglembi, a legend from Moirang Kangleirol, which is one of the epic cycle of incarnations in Kangleipak, Manipur. This legendary epic love story is about the strong love that exists between Henjunaha and Lairoglembi, created by none other than the supreme god Ibudhau Thangjing and goddess Ima Panthoibi in their dream consequence. Henjunaha, a fatherless lad brought up by a poor widow mother, fell in love with Lairoglembi, the only daughter of nobleman Laijing Lakpa. It explores the pity and love fear by the tragic death of the protagonist who got killed on the ominous night, the Lamta Thangja by the evil spirit known as Saroi Ngaroi. Production by Department of English, Manipur University of Culture, Director Thongam Hiramoti, Shumang Lila actor, Manipuri folk and classical dancer, student of Manipur University of Culture, Theatre Department. We present you Henjunaha.
Lamdam sibu kolibam, lamdam sibu kolibi, lining tholai mi anibu, malu kuya khada hana. 하나뿐인 임자이 ngasi music English department ki mahiroi kayana enjuna ha layole migi wari mati kharadang taragi thawal tawjaba matam da aigadaba wana hayauda ngaoidaba wana maoina giba tholaba shu पांगदबा नपारी नमोमनी खंडीदुना योलबद ngakpiyu lalbad kanbiyu bu haidana hubang changjau tara lonang idu kaidani singna changjau sinabu punim jai
시래기 까르다가 바락 입을 내면 야심세 포옹나가 따라 짜게 하오나 짜민날 시도 빠토코이
짜르세 짜르세 에 빠토
पैसा मैं सिंह देता खिदोरेन है
ha
Mandalip di batam mamakam nasibu. Ngarang ay gikomnen banglan jada ho kiba. Tamba dubu untong naman kada.
Hai ngarang ai gi khomlen manglan cha da uki ba saktam madu onthok na suman kreda khomlen manglan cha da uki ba saktam madu bu taibang da usibu aseng barane
So friendly.
ये सुपर मार देता
eh ngai khoni tao ani se michana krama le ne
हाँ वाथौ मतम जो थिंग चले ना बाबा थिंग लनी लिंग ना मतम रसिलो लिंग से
Hoy na wita. Nang nadu hoy na na luksi midyang yang idubo. Kari maram lay bagi. Hoy do na. Hoy na do. Ho hoy mo kwang jeng ba. Tamba kay lam dagila kuno. Sakang daba hoy mo. Ho layang hoy da ba yaw rabadi. Hai biro. Ho hoy mo na ting pangjage.
मतम से यावरा बदी इकाई बन लोरे चिल हम लोग तो रसे
Hai mo. Hoy mo tu ba yaw ro. Hoy mo na ting pangjage. Ho tu mali. Sabi ibong nungsiba Tanglin manja panguba Tanglin hai si hai ngamde Manja câu si câu ngamde Lên đây ngã nawa ngang beda Lai cho y sinh đơ bần bagum Thật là để đô na nào da Thuốc là để đô na nào da Thuốc là để đô na Kanagi wakanda mangduna na irita na yole mi Kanagi sinante ita Kaya gramali tasan Kashu daw deda Kanagi wakansu kandi ita Kandi Hai ramasu kandi Tak ramasu kandi Tak rin Muda Uli kabati Hai rodunita Ho kanagi boy ni kita Nahan lihiri turiya toy banda Sakhang nagiba Tam madugi na troita Udang ko
Mama, dari mana nangbo? Dari ni palang kita amuk telek tholo.
Tari tari. Kari tapi kata bangun pa.
Mama, namom se jauh besar parat le do. Aduna mama, mana kara yakshim bi kada baniko.
Hagani doang pa.
Imagi lang lin. Hꯧzik ti cha sarir tale do. Naning tau zo do nung sibi. Hairang lairang adu hek laga. Ibu do thangjing mafam da kachar aduna. Ichagi pungsi jingjen izaga da bani ko imagi charaihan.
Chalo chalo imom, naning tau jauh do.
Hagani panthau.
Chalo chalo chalo.
이따오세 예우니 예우니 ngasi jo khui itaw hin ju se amuka lai ongna khrama le
ongna khrama ni patho
ongna khrama le ha
나라디다.
patho le yang do
구이다.
kari sari no
야이.
목디 khá san chị cô
Khôi nâu ita. Nang nadu khôi dana. Nuksi midyeng yang idubu. Kari maram lai bege. Ita singai khôi di. Agi awang macing do ka dana. Hai rang he phabu chat tauri do ita. Ita di le hau khidro.
Nangi chenglobu pakhang ai hak kari haina koloi sige habado marik chum na takpiudo
Nujao ibi ay haki koloi minglendi Lairo lembi haina koloi jaido pakhang oi bana hakibu
lairo lembi koloi minglendi tawada pakhang thamoi sumat lido pakhang ai haki koloi minglendi henju na ha haina koloi pakhang gi thamoida nujabu hamu khiba numitta nungsi ful hor khiba kuirabani pakhang gi thamoida nuja nangbu nuksi bana hale shakhang mana kole do
Nujao ibi ay hakti pakhang oi bana kada nungsi wai thungba pam jaido Chingu na kari butam lega ba
adu pakhang oi bai hakti lai na macha oi bana nuja nangi na famda nuksi phong bangam khidabane palem panthau ki bana nuksi panthung yodri kanda lem da makwang da ni shano
pakhang oi bana hakna Nujao ibi ay gidamak lepi rabadi nungsi samay laser do pamuba
sabi lao lao chớ chi lao bayami cần giáo bayami mang đất tharu lao
Huita. Lami onare. Sondari sonda.
nuja magi chenglo do mikup asida uning lakleda ngai hak tangbu tanja phangra haipetang yeng nura sirane aibo yeng nura geda
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯂꯤꯕ
ꯅꯨꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯂꯧꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯎꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯟꯖꯥ ꯐꯪꯂꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯨꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯜꯂꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯗ
ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯣꯕ ngasi kouba korong nongdagi humni chanba numit lamtagi ahanba thangja numita malem leina mamsilak kege kana udraba matamda ningol gi sangaida khongdoi biraudo ningol ka thong hangduna ngaijaramgi nupsi pukmen pawmen nasiko
सोइदनमक्की लाक्सकेदु इसानो इमा
ngasi lamtagi ahanba thangja numitido harai thongal lanba yade ko pari thangga lekai koidenu ko ima gi pari
होय इमा नचा ओइबा अइहाक्ति इमागी पलेन याथं हिक्तोक चरोइदि इमा अदुनि इमा नचा ओइबा अइहाक खुमलेन तुमकुन तानब तौजरगिदि इमा
इशान उलंग बुनुंग शिबी पाले ममा की याथंकी बना हेजुना हाजी खुमेन तुंखुलतान पाले ममा की याथंगा तुंखुलता दुने लइख्रबदी थांजिंगे की ताइबंग कुमै शानब याररोय दुसा अदुनने शानौ नंग लाइरौ लेंबी के सकलो लौदना हेजुना हाजी खुमेन मंगान सा सकलो नदु उहलु अदु थांजिंगे की ताइबंग कुमै शानब यारनब महाकु मयुमदगी कौथोरकदबदी को इशानो
hagani do isabi isabi mumonung shiva nanawai bi ai hati isabi ta khomdoi holakani khandna ningol ka thongang tuna ngai tari base ube namrane isabi nako amok tani khomdoi hongiro une isabi
सांग चट पंगम दे दो अदो वीमा ngasini ngaca buaro ko nupima hongi na say hang na ngaca way bahati isano manakit chat lagi tima
Isabi! koi nungol ching. Pakhang jama siraga nura jama nangai na ching. Nura jama siraga pakhang jama nangai na ching. Kamnung ke koi nungol ching da. Nanawai bi ay hapuso. Wanglen mi kukaradang di. Ngai biro ko koi sabi.
Henju Naha. That was the production of Department of English. Director Thongam Hiramoti. Group photo manamina nabagidamagta saruk yabikiba pumnamag amadi Director Hiramoti. Miyam nasung hauziki phazakraba Henju Naha production asigi Director Obiriba Thongam Hiramoti gidamagta ahoba khuba amatang nizari. Production asida achauba thodang lobi khiba consultant oina oza Dr. Naurem Sandeep Dr. Sujata Huidrom Dr. Binata Nongmaithem amadi Dr. Irom Ravindra Singh University asigi Vice Chancellor Register amadi Deputy Registrar lengkhat piraktuna photo session asida saruk yabinaba nolukchari. Mathang thoklaknaba sim sabigani Department of Thangta Thangjo ani Chainaba Thang ahum yanaba Thang chungoi yanaba thabi kakpa mihat mikan ani shubasaru. Thagachari. Mathang uchanaba miyam da sem sajariba si Department of Thangta masigi mathang sem sabina baning singjari Department of Sankirtana mathang da Department of Theatre mathang da Classical Music Concert Guitar Recital mathang da Classical Manipuri Dance. Thangjo ani Chainaba Fighting Two Dagger Men. This fighting art form is also composed from different staves of sword. Here, two dagger men fight the mates. Techniques and watchful staves are maintained before starting the fight. This style of fight has been raised to the height of excellence and artistic to the great delight of spectators. Thang ahum Chainaba, triple swords fight. One swordsman versus two swordsmen. This fighting is composed from the three steps. In this fight, one swordsman handling swords in both hands comfort the two opponents holding swords and shields. This single swordsman follows technical steps so as to cover himself with the two swords from the possible attacks. At the same time, he or she defends and attacks the two fighters. Thang Chungoi Chainaba, fight of swords with seal. This is an art of fighting of two warriors with sword and shields. In the fight, a skilled swordsman could cover himself against the possible attacks from outside with the help of chungoi shield. Even with the shield, the swordsman could defend the thrust of sword. Thabi kakpa, skilled or technique of cutting cucumber. It is an art in which a swordsman should show his skills and accuracy by cutting a cucumber with his eyes blindfolded. It is also important part in the thangta for maintain accuracy and controlling mind of a warrior. Mihat Mikan Anishuba. Techniques of group fight with or without weapons. In the thangta, groups fighting with or without weapon is also important art form. Skill of thangta with or without weapon is tactfully shown in the fight. It is a special fight showing the skill for group fighting to attack and defend with different form of thangta. This Mihadmikan Anishuba is choreographed by Yaifaba Thongam, alumni, MA First Base 2015, Department of Thangta, Manipur University of Culture.